Now, see, I am giving the live burning example that a topic on which we spend close to 20 minutes, you're not able to speak even for 1 minute. You're attentive, you're participating, you're typing, right? I'm not saying that you didn't pay attention, you're completely focused, you're paying attention, but still you're not able to generate thoughts on which we spoke for 20 minutes almost, right? So, what is the idea? And this is the technique that I am discussing here to build up your thoughts. So everybody can see the whiteboard, right? Give a thumbs up if you can see that, all of you. Okay, great. So the first thing that right now, which already Ramesh mentioned, I asked the question, what do you understand by learning question? So immediately Ramesh mentioned your ability to learn new things, right? So how fast you're able to learn. That's already he covered. Now, and then he's stuck. Now, if I am Ramesh, I will think the next thing is how this LQ discussion came into consideration. Why coach really bought this LQ concept? Now answer this question, Ramesh. How come this suddenly LQ came? What is the background of that, Ramesh?
About the background, in previously that IQ camps. So,
Hold on.
uh,
Hold on. That is another hook. Are you able to get this? Now Ramesh, can you talk more? If I give you chance, you will talk more, right? Okay, like we had muscle quotient, intelligence quotient, and emotional quotient. Now you have adaptability quotient or learning quotient. Earlier, people used to be rated based upon the muscle power they had, then intelligence, then emotions. Now people are rated based upon how quickly they can adapt. Now you can talk at least for 30 more seconds on this. Yes or no? Right? Now let me tell you what is the importance of LQ. Why LQ is so important. You can again speak for 30 seconds. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying. You don't you know this? Am I giving you the answer? You know all the answers, right? It is just that your mind is just stuck with one point. You cannot go before, you cannot go after. And that's why you are just getting stuck with one point. Learning quotient means this. But from where this discussion came, why did we talk about this? What is the use of it? If you ask the right question to yourself, you will start creating more hooks. It is more about if you want to define coach APM, one way to define is what coach APM does. Or he teaches this. Then you can talk about what kind of results people got. Then what kind of person he is. How does he look like? Where does he live? What is his background? Now there are different hooks. Now you can bring different perspective and you can keep talking about it. So the idea is very simple. If you are given a topic, you can look at the topic from different perspective. The more angle you can look at it, more you can talk about it. If you cannot look at it from more angles, you cannot talk about it. And that is why people who are able to look at one point from different angle, they are very polite people because they know the pros and cons and negative and everything. So if somebody's goes against, they will still feel okay because they know that's also a possibility. But people who are very, what to say, particular and very focused on only one thing, they will feel angry. How can you think like this? But people who know all the perspective, they say, yeah, that is also a possibility, but we are not looking at this point of a time. Make sense, Ramesh? Have you seen some
yeah, correct.
seniors like that? If suppose I am giving you a demo of a product, and then suddenly somebody raises hand and say, Ajay, but this product will not work on this way because this will fail. Yes, yeah, it's a good point. Actually, yeah, it will fail, but that possibility is hardly 1%. That's why we are going ahead with it. Now, because I know that answer. Otherwise, I'll say, how can you say this? This project is foolproof. I will can go on like that. So one person who can think from multiple perspective will be a very cool and calm person. Make sense? You got the point? Great. Thank you for that question. Lokesh,
Thank you.
Mathur, and many people are thanking